Hey guys, I'm back at Harbor Freight. I'm going to show you the top deals you should be considering for the new super coupons they just released here in November. And you do have until December 1st on these deals. I'm starting off here with the air compressors they have. So they have a good deal on the McGraw 26-gallon belt drive air compressor. It is rated for up to 165 PSI and it's 75 dBA. It has one brass coupler to it. They have the deal where it's normally priced at $570, but you're going to be able to save $70 on it. So it's only be $499.99. And they have a deal on this Fortress 10-gallon 175 psi ultra quiet oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor. It is normally priced at $289, but with the coupon you're gonna be able to save $40 on it, so it's only $249.99. And they have a pretty good deal on this Central Pneumatic HVLP. It's the gravity feed spray gun with the regulator on it. It is normally priced at $29.99. But with that coupon, you're going to be able to save 33% on it, so it's only $20. And another air compressor option they have, which they don't have on display at this store, but they have this one by Fortress. It's a 6-gallon, 150 PSI, ultra-quiet, oil-free, pancake job site air compressor for $199. You're going to be able to save $30 on that. And they have pretty decent savings on this Merlin straight air chuck with a lock-on lever. It's the clip-on design, ideal for tight access stems. It's easy one-hand operation. It does have a 1/4-inch NPT outlet on it, so you can outfit it with some existing fittings you might already have. It is rated for up to 150 PSI. I wonder if I could outfit my M18 inflator with this. That'd be pretty nice. So they have a deal on it right now where it's $399 normal price, but you're going to be able to save 25% on it. So it's only be $2.99. Next deal is on this 5-in-1 safety coupler by Merlin. It's rated up to 120 max PSI. It accepts 5 of the most common 1/4-inch series connectors, so you have versatility in that sense. It is normally priced at $12, but with that super coupon, you're going to be able to save 25% on it, so it's only $8.99. And they do have this Bauer 20-volt cordless 18-gauge narrow crown stapler. It is normally priced at $99.99, and you're able to save $20 on it, so 20%, so it's only going to be $80. And they have a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh 12-volt diesel transfer pump, so you can transfer diesel or light oil up to 10 gallons per minute. It does connect directly to a battery. It has these different fittings as well. It's normally priced at $139, but with that coupon, you're going to be able to save $40 on it, so it's only $99.99. And then one deal you should not go with is on the 3-ton Pittsburgh floor jack with the rapid pump. They have it for sale for $139.99. Wait till the Black Friday deal is out because it's going to be $100. So the next deal they have, they're actually out of stock at this store, and what it is the Maddox heavy-duty tire repair kit. It is normally priced at $25. And this is a kit that I would recommend picking up if it's in stock at your store, because it's only going to be $17. It's 32% off. It comes with many plugs as well as the different tools to do the patch work as well. It even has valve stem replacement needles to them as well, and a pair of pliers and a cutter to be able to cut off the plugs. This is a great kit. I have one of these myself, and it's awesome, especially at $17. You really can't beat that deal. And the plug tools themselves are made of metal. So it's heavy duty, and it comes in a nice case as well. So definitely worth a pickup. And in case you missed my previous Harbor Freight and other tool deal videos I'm doing this month, I am offering a $100 gift card giveaway to show my appreciation for you guys watching my videos. I'll be doing the drawing on December 1st for the $100 gift card winner. And the lucky winner will be able to choose a gift card from either Harbor Freight, Lowe's, or Home Depot. And to enter to qualify, all you have to do is simply leave a comment below, and that'll get you entered into the drawing. I do really appreciate you guys subscribing and commenting on the videos. I do have a goal to try to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It's not a requirement to be a subscriber to my channel, but I'm looking for your help to get me to my goal. And if you happen to get me to the goal by the end of this month of November, I'll do another drawing next month in December as well. So help me achieve my goal, and I'll help you by bringing you more tool deal videos like this. And the next deal is on this Viking 4-amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger and maintainer. It's rated for 6-volt and 12-volt lead acid batteries of the different varieties. It is normally priced at $40, but with that coupon, you're going to be able to save 25% on it, so it's only $30. And they have a pretty good deal on the Professional Series Viking. It is the portable jump starter and power pack. It is rated for up to 3,400 peak amp for both 12 and 24 volt systems. You can do up to 70 engine jump starts with it on a single charge. They do have that normally priced at $379.99. But with the coupon, you're going to be able to save $50 on it, so it's going to be $330. And it is rated for up to V12 16-liter gasoline engines, and then diesels up to 14-liter. And they're running a decent deal on the Pittsburgh 7-piece stubby ratcheting combo wrench set, so they have them both available in the SAE or metric. These are the sizes in the SAE, and then here are the sizes in the metric. So on the coupon, they say it's normally priced as $27.99, and you can save 28% on it. So it's only $19.99. But at my store, they either didn't update their pricing, because the normal price here at the store says it's $25. But regardless, it's still going to be a good deal at only the $20. They do come with a lifetime warranty as well. The next deal is on the Quinn 7-inch diagonal cutters. Comes with a nice dipped handles to them. Ideal for all types of cutting. They're normally priced at $8, but you're going to be able to save 37% on it, so it's only be $4.99. And how about saving 37% on the 10-inch curved jaw locking pliers by Pittsburgh? These also come with a lifetime warranty. They are normally priced at $7.99, so you save the 37% on it, so they're only $4.99. And they have pretty good savings on this Pittsburgh 26-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. It comes in a nice case with it to organize all the different bits to it. And then obviously the ratcheting screwdriver head itself. These are the different sizes that it comes with. So the price is normally $13 on it. We're able to save 30% on it, so it's only be $9 for that. And they do have a pretty good deal on the Vanguard 15-foot extension cord. It's rated for medium use. It is 16 gauge. Normally priced at $10, but you're going to be able to save 30% on it, so it's going to be $7. And you can save 33% on this Pittsburgh 9.5-inch 3-in-1 multi-purpose stripper, crimper, and cutters. These are the different sizes that it can handle. They do have that normally priced at $5.99, but saving the 33%, so it's only be $3.99. Pretty good deal on that. And the next deal is on the Pittsburgh 3/8 protective wire wrap. So it's like the little plastic covering you put over wires. I use this all the time for my golf cart projects. It's normally priced at $3.49 for the 10 feet of it. So you're going to be able to save 42% on it, so it's only be $1.99. So you're going to be able to save 42% on it, so it's only $1.99. The next deal is on this Braun 900 lumen. It is rechargeable swivel head flashlight. So you're able to change the head of it to be able to swivel it to 90-degree angle. It also comes with a clip too, so you can clip it onto a belt. It also has a magnetic end to be able to attach it to a toolbox or other metal objects. It does have a range of up to 435 feet and 20-hour runtime. It is normally priced at $24.99, but you're going to be able to save 20% on it, so it's only going to be $20. The next deal is on this Bauer Sawhorse. It is rated for up to 1,300 pounds, or 2,600 pounds for the pair. It does have adjustable legs to it, so you can adjust the height on it. It does have sides that fold down, so you can put a 2x4 in it and then create a work surface with it. And the legs do fold up for easy transportation. It does have 9 height adjustments. It is normally priced at $60, but with the coupon, you're going to be able to save $10 on it, so 16% off at $49.99. But if you are in the market for something like this, then maybe check out the Cobalt one at Lowe's. It's currently on sale for $29.99, and it is a lower capacity at 1,100 pounds, and they don't have adjustable legs either, so you kind of have some trade-offs for the additional savings on the Cobalt version. And they have decent savings on this Pittsburgh 2-in-1 Z Creeper. It is rated for up to 300 pounds. So it has different configurations you can do with it by either using it as a regular seat to sit on or to make it into a creeper that folds flat. It is normally priced at $49.99, but with the coupon, it's going to be saving 20% on it, so it's only $39.99. And how about saving 33% on the US General magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder? It does come available in 8 different colors, so you can match it up to your existing toolbox. It is normally priced at $14.99. You're gonna be able to save the 33% on that, so it's only $10. Pretty good deal. And they do have the US General steel magnetic cup holder, also available in 5 colors. So maybe it'll match your toolbox. So you have that normally priced at $12.99, but you're gonna be able to save 23% on it. So it's only be $10 there, but maybe wait for this weekend to get the 30% off deal off of anything under 20 bucks. And they're running an awesome deal on the Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit sander that is normally priced at 40 bucks. You're going to be able to save 50% on it, so it's only going to be $20. That's a good deal on that, especially if it's a good sander. And they have another sander option on the Bauer 2.2 amp. It's a quarter sheet sander that is normally priced at 25 bucks, but you're going to be able to save 40% on it, so it's only going to be $14.99. And they have decent savings on the Bauer 12.5-inch portable thickness planer. It does have a 2 knife cutter heads, and it goes up to 18,800 cuts per minute with the 15 amp motor. They have that normally priced at $349, but you're going to be able to save 50 bucks on it, so it's going to be $300. And they have this Bauer 6-inch bench grinder with LED lights. They have a deal on it that's normally priced at 50 bucks, but with the coupon you're going to be able to save 18% on it, so it's only $45. And the next deal is on the Doyle 4.5-inch. It is rated up to 60,000 psi ductile cast iron vise, and it does have an anvil on the back part of it. Looks like a pretty decent vise right there. It is normally priced at $129.99, but with the coupon you're going to be able to save 20 bucks on it, so it's only $110. It does have a 4.5-inch jaw opening, 3 5/8 throat depth, and 7,700-pound clamping force, and it's 39 pounds, and it does come with a lifetime guarantee. They have this Bauer 22-inch variable speed scroll saw. It is 1.6 amp, and it ranges from 300 to 16 SPM, and it has an 8-inch table with it, and tool-free blade change. So they have that normally priced at $279.99, but you'll be able to save $30 on it, so it's only $249.99. And they have a pretty good deal on the Doyle 12-inch adjustable wrench. It does open up to 1 inch and 11/16 capacity there. Looks like a pretty nice wrench. They do have that normally priced at $14.99, but with the coupon you're going to be able to save 33% on it, so it's only 10 bucks. That's going to be the top deals I'm going to cover with these super coupons. I will be sure to put a link down in the description that goes to the coupons. There's going to be plenty more deals to choose from with the coupons, and you do have until December 1st for them, so be sure to check them out and what's all available.